Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the plantation agriculture and the mixed agriculture. Plantation agriculture for the commercial purpose. Plantation agriculture pesticide for the commercial purpose in the large fields cultivated here the one type crops. Cultivated here one type crops like here the cardamom, black pepper, sugarcane, tea, coffee, banana, cocoa, etc. And the mixed agriculture where practices here the animal rearing and the crop cultivation. The main here the equal importance given to animal herding and the crop cultivation, and here the main parts in the cultivation have the fodder crops. Now here today we will discuss about the dairy farming, truck farming and the horticulture. Dairy farming, truck farming and horticulture. The first of one is dairy farming. Dairy farming is related to the milk and other products. Related to milk products, and in this type of the farming, the dairy farming, the special attention is paid on the animal. Special attention is paid for the animal herding. Special attention is paid for the animal herding. Here the farmers have attention for the animal herding, and here the main crops is fodder crops in this type of the farming, and the farmer, animal herder want to hear the maximum production in this farming, and they dairy farming, truck farming and the horticulture develop practice nearby the urban regions. Then dairy products dairy products of these villages sell out send in the urbans, fulfill the necessity of the urbans urban or cities. Here the look after by here scientific method. Animals looked after by the scientific method. Here use the scientific method, and here try to increase the production. And this type of the farming practiced in the developed countries like New Zealand, Australia, Denmark, USA. And this type of the farming practiced generally in developed countries. Example here: New Zealand, Australia, Denmark, USA. Clear? So dairy farming is practiced for dairy products related to milk here, and special attention is given to animal herding. And the second is truck farming. This is a specialized type. Of agriculture. Specialized type of the agriculture in which vegetables are grown and loaded in truck for selling nearby cities. Here the cities and the nearby the cities and the many villages, and here the whole day the farmer loaded the vegetables in trucks. And the whole night, overnight here truck passing this way in whole night and approach in the cities in the morning, and here they sell out all these vegetables. Here they measure the distance between the rural region to the urban, and this distance transported in overnight by the truck. And so this agriculture is known as the truck farming. For the truck farming, here the requirement of the fast transportation system, and the firstly truck farming started in USA. So with this type of the agriculture, the vegetables are grown and loaded in the truck. Distance between market and the farms are determined by the distance traveled by the truck in overnight. in overnight, and the USA is the firstly started here the truck farming. Clear? This type of the truck farming, yeah, truck farming is complete the urban's vegetable related necessity. And the horticulture is also the type, horticulture is type like the truck farming, but here the loaded the fruits and the flowers. In this truck farming here the loaded the vegetables, and the horticulture, in horticulture here the loaded the fruits and the flowers, loaded here fruits and the flowers in truck, and these are sent in the cities. Fruits, this type of the agriculture in which fruits and the flowers are grown in the rural farms and sell in the urban regions. Fruits and the flowers are grown in the rural farms, and these are sold in the urban areas. In tropical region particular here the cultivated banana, mango and coconut fruit. Like here the temperate region, here the apple and the pear, and the Mediterranean climate region, here the main here the fruits like the lemon, orange, grapes. All these are the citrus fruits. All these are the citrus fruit cultivated in the Mediterranean climate region. So different type of the world, different type of the fruits are grown, and different type of the flowers also grown, and these are sent to the urban regions. So this type of the agriculture, like here the mixed agriculture, dairy farming, truck farming, horticulture develop in rural regions, and these are complete the urban or cities necessity.